Kasurpa. We welcome you all once again inside the Municipal Court of Sipukot for our last game match between Team Kabusao versus Team Sipukot of our doubleheader matchup for tonight. Let's meet the starter of both teams. First, for Team Kabusao, at point guard, number 6, Francis Recluta. At shooting guard, number 11, Jobert Esteves. At center, number 35, Rico Katimbang. The other forward, number 8, Anthony Camigla. And small forward, number 12, Ian Esteves. And the starters for your Team Sipukot. At point guard, number 9, Mark Alvarado. And shooting guard, number 0, Rick Lucis. At center, number 10, Paulo Herzume. The other forward, number 8, Rico Saludo. And at small forward, number 12, Joshua Cortez. Our officiating vote for this ball game, crew chief Edward Paraon. Umpire 1, Edgar Paraon. Umpire 2, Arnulfo Loma. This is your Copico Cup Camarines Sur, ating to.
Once again, Diyos Maray Nabanggi, magandang gabi Pilipinas, hello world, yours truly, Kapak Morgan, will be doing the work for you as one of the panelists ngayong gabi. And syempre pa, ang aking magiging kapartner, once again, ang the one who will be giving you the best play-by-play action sa laban natin ngayon na Kabusao and Sipokot, walang iba, John Bachelier.
Yes, magandang gabi sa ating mga kasurog, and we are live again dito sa Sipukot Municipal Covered Court to witness the game between Kabusao and the home team na Sipokot.
At ito yung ating second and final game ng ating doubleheader for our Day 12. And again, ito po ay handog sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa!
And then first possession mapupunta, and meron tayong re-jump.
Oo, re-jump.
Tinawag na ating referees.
So yung mga centers natin katimbang
The first possession napunta
sa
for
mga
Kabusao.
Kabusao.
Number 12 with a deep C2. Misses the shot. Iyan si Ian Esteves. Outlets to Luces, 0. Number 9 is Alvarado. Number 12, Cordis. 4-2 with the floater.
And there goes the first two-pointer of the ball game.
Yan na, tuwang-tuwa ang home team because sila ang nakauna. Ayan na si Alvarado. Attacking. Fall away. 4-2.
Nice shot from Alvarado.
Ayan na. Si Recluta binigay kay Esteves. Esteves with a baseline move. Kicks it out to Esteves. Esteves with a Pinoy step. Uses the board. No good. Rebound by number 12 to si Cordis. Fakes. Gives it up to Cordis. To Saludo. Saludo. Luces open for 3. Kaboom!
Yes!
Grabe. 3-4-3.
First three-pointer of the ball game courtesy of Luces
Wala pang mintis
for Sipokot.
sa court ang mga taga Sipokot. Ayan na, inatake ni Camigla ang depensa.
So wala pang 2 minuto dyan, meron ng 7 points ang Sipokot.
Yes, partner. Kaya pero nakakuha ng foul si Camigla. Si Katimbang makes his first free throw. Kita mo yung mukha ng ating mga fans dito sa Sipokot. Talagang they are very excited. And at the same time, kinakabahan because
Siyempre napapalaban yung kanilang team.
Papalaban ang kanilang minamahal na Sipokot. Kaya tutok na tutok sila.
Itong Sipokot ay wala pang panalo after a loss nung previous game nila. And ganun din naman ng Kabusao. Actually may 2 ng talo itong Kabusao. So both teams wala pa silang still looking for a win dito sa ating liga.
Yes, a turnover on the part of Kabusao para kay Katimbang. Loses the ball. Loses again for 3. Passes to Alvarado. Alvarado to Cordis, misses the shot. Rebound by Katimbang. Outlets Esteves, nangunguna. Esteves with the hop, skip, no good. Rebound by number 10 na si Bertumen. Outlets to number 9 is Alvarado. Alvarado, double team, passes to number 10. 4-2 na si Bertumen. Good short stab and good pass galing kay Alvarado. Ayan na si number 6 na si Recluta, waiting for his teammates. Gives it up to number 8 na si Camigla. Camigla to Esteves with a fake, with the under goal stab. Nakakuha ng foul. And we'll go to our charity stripe for 2.
So,
Medyo nahirapan ang Kabusaw ngayon. Medyo tinatakbuhan sila ng tinatakbuhan ng Sipokot once na nakuha ng Sipokot ang kanilang mga rebounds.
unang foul na itawag kay Joshua Cordis, number 12 ng Sipokot.
And in number 12 din ng Esteves, number 12 din na Esteves para sa Kabusaw. Misses his first free throw. And ayan, Esteves with the second shot sa free throw. Splits his charity. And then Alvarado tumatawid sa half-court line. Alvarado attacking the defense of Kabusaw. Kicks it out. Kicks it out to number 12. Si Cordis with a floater. Alam mo, medyo paboritong tira yun ni Cordis.
Oo.
Talaga once is, kahit malayo, talagang bumitaw siya ng mga floaters.
At mataas yung talon niya.
Yes,
With,
mahaba yung kamay.
Oo, usually sa mga floater hindi masyadong mataas yung talon. Pero kay Cordis ay ibang klase.
And binawi naman on the part ng Kabusaw. A good dump para kay Rico Katimbang. Nakakuha ng foul. Plus a bonus free throw.
Ayan, punong-puno na po tayo dito sa Sipokot covered court.
Oo.
Dahil talagang napapalabang ngayon ang kanilang kupunan na na-enjoy naman ang ilang puntos ba ang kalamangan. So it's now a 6-point lead for
Alvarado.
Sipokot.
Alvarado to Luces. Fakes Alvarado. Open for 3. No good. Na-rebound ni Esteves. Esteves binigay kay Recluta pero naagaw ni Luces. Luces rushing. Saludo. Hop. And nakakuha ng foul kay number 35 na si Katimbang. You know, this partner talagang takbuhan ng takbuhan to si Pukot. Kumbaga, they are very familiar kasi dito sa court. Siguro dito sila nagpa-practice. And then dito talaga sila naglalaro. Kumbaga, all sa buhay nila. Kaya talagang inaatake nila yung ano.
This team is really known for a running game
Yes,
style. Itong Sipokot.
Ayan na. Misses the 2 shots. Medyo napahawak ng tenga si number 29, si Escobedo. Natawagan ng foul. Ayan na. Si Recluta. Recluta gives it up to Esteves. Esteves. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Ayan na. Camigla. No good. Rebound by number 35. And 1 para kay Katimbang talaga. Very. Ang laki. Ang laki ng mamang to.
Oo, siya actually yung pinakamalaking mama sa court ngayon.
Yes, yan. Si Luces fakes. Luces kicks it out to Alvarado. Alvarado kicks it out to number 12. Cordis, no good. Ayan na si Esteves. Rushing. 4-2. No good. Rebound by Esteves. No good again. Ayan na si Escobedo. Pinasa kay Saludo. Saludo. Pinasa kay Alvarado. Yes, Escobedo with a short stab. No good. Rebound by Katimbang. Recluta. Nagmamadali. Inintay kakampi. Recluta. Katimbang. With a wild shot. And nakakuha pa. Grabe. Talagang sinuswerte pa si Katimbang.
Tama yung decision ni Recluta na he waited for his teammates, lalong-lalo na yung mga big man niya. Dahil mas advantage sa tingin niya, mas advantage na nando doon si Katimbang. Ayun na nga, nakakuha pa ng foul. And we'll have Miss Barbie Floriano to give us his initial report on this particular match-up between Kabusaw and Sipokot. Miss Barbie, pasok!
Good evening, Coach Morgan and Coach John. And good evening din sa ating mga kasurog. We are currently watching the match-up between Kabusaw against Sipokot. And as you can see sa bench ng Kabusaw ay undermen ang kanilang team at wala rin ang presensya ng kanilang coaches. Kaya naman apektado ang larong pinapakita dito ng Kabusaw. Meanwhile, according to Coach Hernan Nieva of Sipokot, they have 0 win and 1 loss. That's why they are eager to get their first win for tonight. Kaya tingnan natin if how this game will be. That's the latest. Back to the paddle.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano. Ayan, eager daw yung Team Sipokot na manalo sa game na to. And I think kahit kulang yung Kabusaw, pati yung coaching staff nila wala, I guess eager din sila na manalo dahil wala din silang panalo pa sa ligang ito.
Yes, nakita natin si Recluta with the EC2. Tinignan pa ang kanyang defender. Ayan na. Lamang na po ang Kabusaw, 13-11 with 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Ayan na, binawi kagad Escobedo with the undergoal stab.
2 points, Escobedo.
And si Recluta talking to his teammates. Kicks it out to Esteves. Esteves for 3, air ball. Alvarado rushing. Alvarado crosses over. Na-intercept. Ayan na. Ayan na si Esteves. Esteves, tinignan lang kanyang defender. Lays it up for 2.
Good finish for Esteves on the part of Team Kabusaw. You know, Kabusaw started with only just 5 players. Pero right now we can see dalawa nandoon sa bench nila. So 7 na po ang players ng Kabusaw.
Then a substitution on the part of Kabusaw. Number 29, si Giro ipapasok. Pinalitan ang kanilang center na hardworking na si Katimbang para pagpahingahin. With 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock of Sipokot.
Timeout. Team Kabusaw.
There is a timeout called ng Team Kabusaw.
Ayan, kahit outmanned itong Kabusaw, they're leading now by 2 points at 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining dito po sa ating first quarter. So parang tayo nga dito dyan nagtatansyahan pa din, ano? Kung sino ang mamamayagpag sa laban na ito.
Speaking of tansyahan, partner, tinatansya ko din kung pag-uwi ko ng staff house, may handa ba ang ating birthday boy, ang ating provincial director ng SBP Albay na si Richard Ong. Happy birthday po sa inyo, sir.
May handa ba?
Tingnan natin mamaya.
Paghahandaan natin yan.
Happy birthday, Sir Richard. Gandang gabi sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Sir Richard, from all of us here, yung Infinity Media Broadcasting Company crew, headed by Christian Calleja as our technical director.
Esteves gives it up to Esteves. Esteves attacking the lane, gives it up to number 29, si Giroy.
Ayan,
Instant offense.
Nakapasok pa lang ni
Pagpasok,
Giroy.
nag-contribute kaagad.
Nagparamdam ka agad si Giroy.
Nagrampa, gives it up to Pilapil. Pilapil gives it up to Navarrosa. Navarrosa in and out. Number 29, Giroy with the rebound. Esteves rushing, natapikan. Bola mapupunta sa Sipokot.
Oho, dahil they kicked the ball off unintentionally.
Yun na, Pilapil humingi ng pick. Binigay sa ilalim. Kay Villafuerte. Nakakuha ng foul.
So, nasabi natin kanina na itong si Pokot is known for their running game style. Pero sa tingin ko, ganun din naman ang Kabusaw. They run and run. Actually, yung mga puntos nila ay nakuha nila sa fast break plays or transition plays.
Yes, ayan, Pilapil at the top of the key 3. Air ball.
Ayan na naman,
Nakuha.
tumatakbo.
Esteves. Esteves. Nabitawa, nakuha ni Pilapil. Kicks it out to Nagrampa. Intercepted by Recluta. Lobs it to Giroy. Giroy kicks it out to Recluta. Recluta. Dinahandahan for 2.
Yes. Smoothie from
Yes, ayan.
Recluta.
Ayan na si Nagrampa. Hands it off to Pilapil. Pilapil to Mateo. Gives it up to number 15 with the spin. Kicks it out. Ayan na si Nagrampa. Open for 2. No good. Sayang. Good
Tapos-
shot sana on the part of Nagrampa pero hindi. Iron set, hindi lang nakapasok.
Kapos yung tirang yon. Lakasan niya ng konti sa susunod. 19-13 po ang score natin. 6 ang kalamangan ng Kabusaw kontra si Pokot, ang ating home team.
Ayan na naman si Esteves, inaatake ang depensa. Nakakuha ng foul. Dali-dali lang na break ng Kabusaw ang press na ini-apply ng na si Pokot kaya
Because of this guy, I think,
Yes.
Esteves. Kasi mabilis talaga siya. He's always in a hurry para makapuntos para sa kanyang kupunan.
and he can finish too.
Oo.
Talaga. Tingnan natin, yun lang, minintis niya ang kanyang first free throw. Apologizes to his coach. And with 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining in the first quarter,
Yan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Yung mga nanonood sa atin online. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo and sana nakapag-hapunan na rin kayo sa mga oras na to. Yung iba
Yes.
siguro habang naghahapunan
pwede.
nanonood sa atin.
Ay, mas maganda yun. Sabay nila. Sabay nila. Yung meron kasi ngayon talaga because of
Puso
the
na
busy
yan.
schedule, medyo hindi na sabay-sabay nakapagkain. So, kahit mag-isa ka, pwede to.
Oo.
Habang nanonood ka,
At
kumain ka.
saka,
And
busog-
enjoy
Oo.
ang laro dito sa Kamsur Lake.
So busog ka na sa tiyan mo, busog ka pa sa mata mo. Kagaya ng pagkabusog ng aming mga mata dito ni Coach Jan dahil sa mga magandang nakikita natin.
Alam naman natin, talagang ayan na. Baka mapunta pa tayo kung saan yan. Si Pilapil. Attacking the defense. Block, nakuha ni Giroy. Nagrampa. Outlets to number 15. Block by Giroy. Yun na, nakakuha ng foul. Si Mateo.
Nagkabuhol yung dalawa sa gilid. And merong foul na tinawag ang referee.
Foul number 19, PJ Mateo.
Foul si Mateo.
Penalty.
And yun, penalty na.
Oo, bilis ano. Penalty ka agad ang si Poco team.
Si Recluta will troop to the line for 2. And
Isa din to si Recluta sa mga spark plug nitong Team Kabusa as we can see in the early goings of this ball game. Pero malapit na pong matapos ang ating first quarter. We only have 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining sa ating relo. And Recluta missing the first free throw attempt.
misses the second one. Grabe, sayang. Important free throws. They must be made. Baga, come and game, magiging vital yan. So nakita na, Villafuerte attacking the defense of Kabusaw for 2.
Using his left hand.
Ayan na, may pressure defense na ina-apply ang si Pokot. Ayan na, si Esteves against Pilapil. Esteves gives it up to Esteves. Esteves all alone for 3.
Bang!
Masok yan for 3. Ayan na si
Ayan.
Pilapil. Wasting clock, binigyan ng pick ni Villafuerte. Kicks it out. Ayan na, with the fake. And 1 plus the foul. Para kay Villafuerte. Grabe, gandang fake yun, partner.
Oo.
Inintay niya muna. Mag-commit ang depensa ng kalaban and then inangat niya. And nakakuha ng foul.
Talagang sinadya niya na magpasabit ano. And 2 consecutive 2-pointers for Villafuerte. And right now, nasa free throw line siya dahil nga may end one.
Yes, and another substitution. I guess si Giroy nag-commit ng second foul niya. Kaya pinalitan ni number 8 ng si Camigla ng Kabusaw. And ayan si Villafuerte for his bonus free throw and he makes his 3-point play.
Nothing but net there.
Yes, si Esteves. Hinaharas ni Nagramte. Ayan na si Esteves again attacking. Dropping off. Kaso nakakuha ng foul.
There's a foul.
That's a good find or a good drop out in the case of Esteves.
Oo, si Camigla talaga very reliable din when it comes sa paint kasi talagang hinahanap din siya ng kanyang mga guards.
Basta pumwesto ka lang, sabi ng ni Esteves, pumwesto ka lang sa ilalim. At dadrive ako at magdodraw yung defense sa akin and you will be open for a shot.
Ayan, si Camigla 2 for 2 for the line. Villafuerte inbounds the ball to Nagrampa. With 47 seconds remaining in our first quarter, Nagrampa attacking the defense. Villafuerte fakes. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 10 ni Fiesta. Fiesta nagmamadali. Fiesta, happy Fiesta! For two.
Fiesta talaga. Dahil nakaabuslo ng 2-pointer itong number 10 ng Kabusaw na si Fiesta.
Pilapil hesitates with the pass. Villafuerte nabitawan ng bola. Pumeke. Villafuerte powering his way. No good. Rebound by number 8 si Camigla. Outlets to Esteves. Esteves nagmamadali. With 7 seconds, Esteves attacking the defense again with a reverse. No good. Nakakuha ni Fiesta. Fiesta fakes.
Fiesta na naman! Fiestang fiesta dito sa Sipokot.
Yes,
At
at the
ayan,
buzzer. And ngayon, they are up by 10 points. Medyo struggling ang Sipokot during
Two-digit
the
na.
last part ng first quarter.
Ayun, that ends our first quarter action ng Kapusaw and the home team Sipokot. Dito po sa ating final game ng ating Day 12 ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Once again, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan and John Bachiller giving you the best play-by-play action that we can give ngayong, well, holiday. It's Eid al-Fitr. Saludo to po tayo sa mga kapatid nating Muslim na nagdiriwang ng importanteng araw na to para sa kanila. Anyway, we are witnessing the first quarter highlights of the ball game.
Oh, yan. Si Katimbang is posing his will as early as the first minute ng first quarter.
Yung nararamdaman ko kanina while mag-start pa lang yung game natin, sabi ko mukhang dehado itong ng Kabusaw dahil lilima nga lang sila nung nag-start, pero sa pagtatapos sila pa yung nakakalamang ngayon ng 10 points. Pero dumami na din, medyo mayroon na rin silang mga bench players as of now, so that adds a little power sa kanilang team.
Yan. Yan na tayo. We are heading to our second quarter. Alvarado at the top of the key. 3. Intercepted by Esteves. Esteves umatake for score. No good. Loses with the rebound. Gives it up to Alvarado. Alvarado rushes. Passes to number 12 with the familiar teardrop ni Joshua Cordis. Ang paboritong teardrop. Alamak Cardona tira ni Joshua Cordis. As of my count, nakatatlong teardrop na si Cordis kanina. Dalawa ng first quarter, isa ngayong second quarter.
And it's a high-flying floater ang kanyang mga ginagawa.
Yes, sayang i-putback sana on the part of Camigla, but he loses the ball and the ball will go to Kabusaw.
And we will go to Barbie dahil meron siyang report. Miss Barbie Floriano, come in please.
Umikot ang takbo ng game na ito at nagawang lamangan ng Kabusaw ang Sipokot. Kahit na underman sila in this match, nakita nilang maluwag ang depensa ng kalaban, kaya naman tinake advantage nila ito para umangat during the first quarter. However, this will be bad to their team performance if papasok sa mga susunod na quarters na exhausted na ang kanilang players, considering na wala silang kapalitan in this game. Yun na muna ang latest. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Morgan.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Barbie Floriano, and good observation na dahil sa kakaunti lang ang nasa bench ngayon ng Kabusaw, it's going to be a factor sa mga susunod na quarters. But we will see kung kakayanin ng kanilang stamina ang laban na ito with only about 7 or 8 players sa ngayon na active dito sa larong ito.
Sorry miss on the part of Saludo. Ayan na, Camigla. Fake by Katimbang. Scores for 2. Humihingi ng traveling ang Sipokot. Cordis for 3. No good. Rebound by Saludo. Saludo powering his way with a short stab. No good. Rebound by number 10. No good para kay Bertumen. Sayang. Sorry miss again for the part of Kabusaw. Sayang ng partner. Medyo...
they have second chances opportunities. Kaya lang nandun talaga yung heavy defense din ng Kabusaw na hindi talaga pinapayagan na basta-basta mapuntusan sila nitong Sipokot. Kaya ngayon ay nag-cause ng turnover para sa team ng Sipokot.
Recluta. Outlets to Fiesta. Fiesta for 3. No good. Rebound by Esteves. Nakakuha ni Cordis. Cordis nagmamadali. Cordis with a behind the back dribble, step back, ayan, hesitation, kicks it out to Alvarado. Alvarado for 3, no good. Rebound by Fiesta, outlets to Recluta. Recluta against Luces. Recluta with a layup, no good. Recluta with offensive rebound, and 1 plus the foul.
Yun! That's the hustle.
Yes, talagang hindi niya sinukuhan yung play na yan, partner.
Oo.
Kahit with the sticky defense na pinapakita ni Luces. Pero doon pa rin, ayan na. As you take a look, yung hustle and yung nose for the ball. Binire ni number 6 na si
Recluta.
Recluta.
Kahit siya ay heavily defended, talagang nandun yung hustle niya. And yung determination to score. And good job for Recluta of Team Cabusao. Na again, playing with only 8 players na nasa kanilang bench ngayon dahil sila ay nasa huddle or nagpapahinga after a timeout that has been called. And right now, si Pocot needs to adjust dahil sila ang nalalamangan ng si Pocot.
Yes, partner. We are back to our ball game with 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Bonus free throw for Francis Recluta.
Bonus free throw on the part of Francis Recluta. Recluta completes his 3-point play.
So it's a 12-point lead now.
Yes, adding to the lead ng Cabusao. I guess yung team, si Pocot, has to double up their effort. Alvarado open with the top of the key. Fakes. Alvarado for 3. No good.
I think what si Pocot needs to do is to intensify yung kanilang defense kasi
Yes, medyo matamlay nga ang binibigay na
Oo.
depensa.
marami naman sila compared to Cabusao who's only playing 8 players. Kaya dapat hindi sila mag-alala in case man magkaroon sila ng foul trouble.
Ayan na. 2 points on the part of Bertumen with the assist galing kay Cordis. Ayan na.
And I think-
Alvarado steals. Ayan na. Narinig ka niya. Cordis.
Yan ang
gives it
ginagawa
up
lang si
to number
Pocot.
10. Bertumen misses the shot. Ayan, nakuha ulit ni Cordis. 4-2. Ayan na. Yung score ay nagpa-pile up na para sa si Pocot. Ayan na.
So talagang heavy defense na yung nakikita natin for si Pocot.
Yes, muntik na maagawan doon si Giroy.
And this will tire up Cabusao. Di ba?
Yes, of course. Kasi
And-
pinipressure nila, pinipressure. Because I've seen parang mayroong 3-guard lineup ang ating si Pocot. Kasi medyo gusto nila bilisan ang kanilang laro.
But with Recluta and Esteves as also very quick players and fast players. And i-add mo pa yung si Fiesta
Oo.
na talagang kumaka na rin para
Yes.
sa Cabusao.
Yes, contributing right now. Talagang very steady lang. Medyo hindi lang kabilisan pero very efficient when it comes to scoring.
So
Alvarado.
napaka-basic lang yung depensa ng Cabusao. 2-1-2 defense, zone defense.
Pilapil. Gives it up to Villafuerte. Kicks it out to Cordis. Cordis for 3. Kaboom! Ayan na.
That's his second if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. Partner, ayan na. Nahihirapan si Fiesta. Tawid ang bola. Pinunta kay Recluta. Ayan na, Fiesta crossing over. With a familiar lefty shot. Talagang yan, patawa-tawa pa.
Kumbaga sa salita natin, mais-mais ang tira.
Kumbaga, talagang,
Pambigas.
yes, very steady.
Oo.
Pilapil. Ayun na. Sinapal. Ni Katimbang.
The flying
Si Cordis.
Cordis was blocked by the much taller and much heavier Katimbang. Na-timingan lang talaga.
With 11 seconds remaining sa shot clock ng si Pocot, they have to move faster in order for them to score. Ayan na si Pilapil, kicks it out to Alvarado. Alvarado for 3. No good. Na-rebound ni Cordis. Cordis with the short stop. No good again. Rebound di Fiesta. Fiesta dribbling. Passes to Katimbang. Katimbang attacks the defense of Pilapil and scores.
Look at that big guy. Kaya niya palang tumira ng gano'n, ano?
Oo, laki. Pilapil, the top of the key. Gives it up to Villafuerte. Kicks it out to Alvarado. Pilapil for 3. Misses. Rebound by Villafuerte. Block again by Katimbang. Grabe.
Iba yung depensa na pinapakita nitong mga taga-Kabusaw. Still leading by 11 at 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Alvarado gives it up to Villafuerte with a short stab. No good. Nakakuha ni Giroy. Outlets to Esteves. Esteves against Pilapil with a spin. Intercepted by Pilapil. Pilapil is rushing. Rushing, flying, scores, no good. Katimbang with a rebound. Ayan na si Esteves, gives it up to Fiesta. Fiesta fakes. Fiesta with the 2 points.
Delikado pa doon itong si Bertumen na sumabit sa bait na yun ni Fiesta.
Alvarado attacking. No good. Rebound by Fiesta. Outlets to Recluta. Nakuha ni Katimbang. Grabe yung hustle ng isang Katimbang. And 4-2. Grabe.
So ayan, time out ulit tayo.
Yes, grabe yung run. 8-0 run.
Oo.
Was implied by Team Kabusaw na walang kapagurang si Katimbang.
Ano kaya ang magiging adjustment at ano kaya ang nasa isip ngayon ng coach ng Sipokot na si Coach Nieva? At ganito ang nangyayari, knowing na mas marami sila when it comes to numbers of players kumpara sa Kabusaw. And yung advantage pa nila, partner, na nandito sila sa kanilang home.
Yes, partner, talagang kumbaga on the part of Sipokot, they have to utilize the home court. Kumbaga may 6 man sila dito. They have to hype the crowd. Kumbaga all hearts out dapat sila ngayong game kasi they're in front of their home court. Yung mga constituents sa Sipokot, they are cheering for the team. So, come second half, baka bumawi naman ang Sipokot.
Doble kasi yung inspiration na mararamdaman mo while playing on your home court, di ba? So, siguro hindi pa nakukuha ng tama ng mga taga Sipokot yung gusto nilang gawin sa game na ito.
Yes, partner.
And right now they have the ball.
Erilio, a new guy from Sipokot. Erilio. Kay Navarroza, binigay kay Navarroza. Ayan na si Alvarado, pointing his teammates. Passes to Cordis. Grabe, eye in the sky play. Good timeout. Good, well-executed play on the part of Sipokot. Talaga, kailangan na kailangan nila yun. Just to shorten the lead. Ayan na, si Katimbang was stripped by number 21.
And that's a motivating play on the part of Sipokot.
And my bako partner, I would like to greet my kapatid ng ating commissioner na si Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi sa iyo. Dad, magandang gabi po.
Kaya pala bumango sa tabi natin dahil nandito si Sir Ino. Magandang gabi, Sir Ino Rivera.
Ayan na, turnover again was forced by Sipokot.
Ayan.
The timeout was called by Kabusaw.
And let's take this opportunity to say hi sa lahat po ng mga nanonood once again sa ating Facebook pages, ang Ako Bicol Online TV at sa Representative Saldico Facebook page. And again, invite natin dyan yung ating mga manonood na pakilike na din po ng ating YouTube channel.
Yes, partner, nag-chat sa akin yung mga kaibigan ko. Nag-chat daw yung mga taga-barangay 16, Kawit East, Washington Drive, sa Legazpi City.
Ano bang meron doon ngayon?
Nag-subscribe. Barangay ko yun, partner. Oo, nag-subscribe na daw sila. And then, they are supporting Ako Bicol Cup from the start sa Albayleg hanggang dito sa Camarines Sur. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat dyan sa Barangay 16, East Washington Drive.
So, magandang gabi sa inyo. At naman malapit na, ha?
Malapit na. Yun lang, malapit na. And we are back to our ball game.
Malapit na matapos yung ating
second quarter.
3 minutes, 19 seconds na lang.
Alvarado gives it up to Cordis. Villafuerte attacking the defense of Cabusao. No good. Rebound again. Ang gandang galaw. Yun. Kay Navarroza.
Umaikot-ikot sa ilalim.
Oo, mga Nelson Asaytono
Oo,
move yung
move,
mga
oo.
panahon. Ayan na. Recluta harassed by Arillo. Recluta kicks it out to Fiesta. Fiesta with a familiar stab. No good. Katimbang with the offensive rebound. And
That's
for two.
the luxury of having the biggest guy in this ball game.
Yes, I guess talaga. He is powering his way with the 2 points. Ayan na. Fiesta, nabitawan ng bola with that miss galing kay Navarroza. With 14 seconds remaining on their shot clock.
47-34, it's a 13-point lead na na-enjoy ngayon ang Team Cabusao. At ang oras natin, 2 minuto. 27 seconds remaining.
Yes, Alvarado guarded by Esteves. Arillo with a floater. 2 points. Instant offense on the part of Arillo. Nakapasok na lang.
Akala ko that was Cordis, pero
Si Arillo.
si Arillo yun.
Oh.
Same shot kasi.
Baka partner talaga pinapractice nila yung mga floaters, yung mga ganong tira.
Oo.
And then yan na, Fiesta against Alvarado. Katimbang, natapikan ni Arillo. Arillo, nagmamadali. Arillo flies, kicks it out to Alvarado. And nakakuha ng foul.
Francis Recluta.
Galing kay Francis Recluta. First foul.
Substitution.
Substitution for Team Cabusao.
Ayan na, pinalitan ulit si
Katimbang.
Kasi I guess because they're underman and then
Oo.
talagang kailangan nilang fresh legs come second half.
At saka kailangan nila ng malaking mama hanggang sa pagtatapos ng larong ito.
Yes, Arillo misses the first one.
Ipinasok si number 8, si Camigla, to replace Katimbang for Team Cabusao.
Arillo makes the second one with 47 and 36 kontra. Pabor pa rin sa Cabusao. Ayan na, Recluta against Arillo. Recluta against Alvarado. Gives it up to Leroy. Giroy for 3. Irons it. Alvarado nanguna. Pinasa kay Cordis. Eye in the sky again, but the sorry miss. Ayan na.
What a great
Sayang.
club sana.
Giroy gives it up to Fiesta. Fiesta with a pop.
Ipinitin pa.
No good. Fiesta with the offensive rebound. Nakakuha ng foul. Sayang ay sorry miss on the part of Cordis. Gandang pasa sana binigay sa kanya. And then after that miss, tumakbo kagad ang Cabusao. And then nakakuha ng foul si Fiesta and will troop to the line for 2.
After that missed shot from Fiesta, nandun pa rin siya. He stayed there,
Yes.
fighting for the rebound. At ayun na nga,
But misses both free throws.
sayang lang. At na-miss niya yung 2 free throws.
Substitution.
Pero still,
Substitution on the
leading-
part of Cabusao.
Yeah, as I was saying, still leading yung Cabusao ng 10 points. 37-47 po ang score natin.
Pinasok
Yun
si
lang.
Esteves pero linabas si Esteves. Partner, magkapatid siguro to partner. And then nakapag-force ng turnover ang Cabusao. Ayan na, si Recluta against Arillo. Recluta. Grabe yung first step. Ang
Gandang
gandang pass.
pasa yun!
Oh, sorry miss. Ganda, kita mo yung first step ni Recluta. And then pinasa niya kay Giroy, but I miss by Giroy. Yan na si Arillo.
Napalakas lang ni Giro yung tira, pero nandun na eh. Nandun na sa
Alvarado.
loob.
Cordis with the corner 3. No good. Cordis again with the rebound. Passes to Alvarado with the fake. Gives it up to Arillo. Arillo fumbles the ball. Gives it up to Alvarado. Alvarado against Esteves. Alvarado. No good para kay Villafuerte. Recluta against Cordis. Recluta hangs. No good. Na-rebound ni Cordis. Gives it up to Villafuerte. Villafuerte. Alvarado to Cordis with a short stab. No good. Esteves rushing. 3 against 2. Passes to Giroy. Giroy open for easy 2.
Yes,
10 seconds.
good play on the part of Cabusao. That's a good transition play.
Alvarado kicks it out again. to Cordiz with a step back. Alvarado.
At dyan na po, nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. Lamang ng 12. 12-point lead ang na-enjoy ng Kabusaw as we end our first half. 49-37. Once again, kasama niyo po John Bachiller, mga taga-Barangay 16 ha, dyan sa Legazpi. Magandang gabi sa inyo. And of course, Kapa Morgan here. Magbabalik po kami, dyan lamang po kayo. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinguan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inot sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang diki sa muya.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
We're back dito po sa laban ng home team si Pokot at ng Dayo na Kabusaw. Dito po sa ating day 12 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Leading is Kabusaw. It's because they're maximizing their height and might. At syempre yung bilis ng kanilang mga guard sa front court. Kaya sila ngayon ng nakakatamasa ng lead 49-37.
Ayan na, bumawi naman. On the other hand, para sa Sipukot, si Alvarado with a coast-to-coast move, and then si Recluta gives it up to Fiesta. Fiesta with a one-hander move. No good. Rebound by Villafuerte. Ayan na, naagaw. Na-intercept. Ayan na si Fiesta for 2 again.
Isang malaking factor din itong Fiesta coming off the bench.
Yes,
Malaki
para sa
rin yung
Kabusaw.
kanyang naging contribution. Kaya nasa lamang sila ngayon or nakakalamang sila ngayon kontra sa home team na si Pokot.
Ayan na. Navarroza misses the shot. Nakuha ni Recluta. Recluta gives it up to Esteves. Esteves binigay kay Fiesta. Esteves attacking the defense of Alvarado. Blocking foul on the part of Alvarado.
Foul number 9, Mark Alvarado. That's his first team foul, si Pukul.
And that's the first team foul for si Pokot. Yung foul na yun ni Alvarado kontra Fiesta.
Ayan na, Esteves with a shake and bake off the back. Pasok yan para kay Esteves.
Using the board with his left hand.
Ayan na. Navarroza fishing foul.
And he was hammered while powering himself to the rim. He was fouled by Esteves, number 12. And we have Barbie sa court side to give us updates. Miss Barbie, pasok, please.
Nasa next half na tayo ng game na ito and during the timeout ay nakausap ko ang team captain ng Kabusaw na si Fiesta. According to him, kulang talaga sila in this match dahil may mga trabaho pa ang mga kasamahan nila at syempre bilang isang mga tatay ay mas inuna muna nila ang kanilang mga responsibilidad. Pero sigurado naman na sa susunod na mga laro ng Kabusaw ay makikita na natin sila. However, kinoconsider ng Kabusaw na advantage nila sa larong ito ang kanilang standing na 2 losses and still no win. Dagdag pa ni Fiesta, uhaw na uhaw kami sa panalo kaya naman ginagawa namin ang lahat. Yun na muna ang latest. Back to the panel.
Yun, maraming salamat Miss Barbie Floriano. Yun ang motivation.
Yes,
Na 0-2, wala pa silang panalo. Pero yung iba yung nagiging reaction. Dahil wala pang panalo, ay nako, wag na tayo maglaro. Di ba?
Hindi, yung mga ganun kasi talaga, yun talaga magandang motivation. If you take a look, isang 3 points si Alvarado. Yan, mabalik tayo. Yun ang motivation na to win. Alam mo, winning is learning also. Kaya dapat magpapanalo tayo para at least matututo rin tayo with our basketball games.
Oo, so hindi rason kung bakit pipito lang ang team ng Kabusaw ngayon dito. Hindi rason yung 0-2 sila. It's because of may mga trabaho daw. Yung iba mas priority yung pamilya. Kaya yun, pipito lang po ang players ng Kabusaw up till now.
Traveling on the part of Fiesta. Good defense. Si Alvarado pero medyo tinamaan siya dun sa mukha. Kaya medyo ininda niya. Ayan na. Nagrampa. Gives it up to Alvarado. Alvarado. Passes to out. What a shot by Navarroza. Good pass. Galing kay Alvarado. Alam mo, nagiging aggressive na si Alvarado come this third quarter kasi medyo matamlay siya noong mga first half ng ating ball game.
And even sa defense talagang he's everywhere.
Yes, ayan. As we take a look of the shot, Esteves talaga with the lefty. And kumbaga, very orthodox yung mga galaw niya but very effective. Ayan na si Alvarado with the corner 3. No good. Rebound by Esteves.
Merong foul.
He was fouled by number 3.
Rebounding play.
That's his first. Second team foul, si Pukul.
So Kabusaw will be inbounding.
Esteves crossing the half-court line against Alvarado. Esteves with the emergency pass. Gives it up to Fiesta. Fiesta nakakuha ng foul.
I like that. Emergency pass.
Yes, talagang emergency pass na yun. Wala lang mapuntahan.
That's when you are nowhere to go. Yun na yung last na option.
Yes, partner, dalawa daw ang klase ng emergency pass, partner. So narinig ko, yung emergency pass na wala ka pupuntahan or yung kakampi mo ayaw pumasa pag na-depensahan. That is the time mag-emergency pass daw siya.
Grabe.
Yun, narinig ko lang naman yun sa mga naglalaro. And with 7 minutes remaining, 7 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the third quarter with 11 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Ayan na si Fiesta. Fiesta attacking the defense of si Pokot. Fakes. Passes to Giroy. Giroy with the undergo stab 4-2.
No need for an emergency pass dahil talagang advantage siya doon. Mas matangkad siya kontra sa kalaban.
Ayan na si Navarosa all alone sa top of the key. Binigay kay Cordiz with the familiar floater again.
Mahilig talaga siya, faking to the left and going to the right, using the back door, and then that high looping floater.
That's a beauty for a wing na parang talaga nakikita ko kung gaano ka-finesse gumalaw si Cordiz. When he is attacking the basket, talagang he glides and talagang tinatapon niyo yung bola with the high arcing loop kaya pumapasok kanya mga floaters.
And advantage yon dahil may advantage yung kalaban when it comes to height.
Yeah, so kumbaga matangkad na si Cordiz and then
mas matangkad yung kalaban eh. Kaya maganda, nasa advantage talaga na high looping yung mga tira mo.
Ayan na. As we listen to the crowd, talagang chini-cheer nila yung si Pukot. And talagang medyo nakakatulong din yan. As we take a look, Fiesta attacking the interior defense. What a powerful rebound by Villafuerte. Nakuha ni Giroy. Giroy was fouled.
No, it was Esteves. Esteves was down. He was fouled while driving strong to the basket after that loose ball.
Yes, the Grandpa commits a second foul. And I guess Esteves will go to the charity stripe. And as early as now, penalty na kaagad, partner, ang si Pokot.
And that will hurt them.
Yes, talaga, that will hurt them. With 6 minutes, as early as 6 minutes, penalty na sila. So talagang they have to be conscious when it comes to fouling para hindi mapunta ang kanilang kalaban.
And they're still trailing by a 2-digit mark.
Ayan, malaking tulong ang cheer ng crowd as Cabusao misses 2 free throws. Alvarado with the lob pass to Villafuerte. Villafuerte crosses Nagrampa for 3. No good, pero nakuha ni Alvarado. Navarosa attacking the defense of Cabusao. No good, rebound by Giroy.
Recluta now.
Esteves rushing, flies. Sinabayan. Pero walang foul na natawag. Ayan na si Alvarado against Esteves. Spin, Alvarado fakes, up and under. What a shot! Grabe!
By Alvarado, he just throws it up and throws it in.
Yes, that was a Hail Mary shot. Hindi na tumingin.
Nakapikit.
Binato lang at pumasok.
That's what we call emergency shot.
Yun! Tama. Kung may emergency pass, meron din tayong
emergency shot.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Cordiz for 3. Irons it. Rebound by Esteves. Esteves gives it up to Recluta. Recluta to Fiesta. Fiesta attacking with Alejoy na tira. No good. Rebound by Esteves for 3. No good. Outlets to Alvarado. Stops. Pops for 3. Come on for Alvarado.
Nothing but net.
But he signals his coach na substitution because he's huffing and puffing na talaga.
7 na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Cabusao.
Esteves. Cordiz gives up a duty foul para mapalitan na ang nagpamakaawa na si Alvarado. Because pagod na siya.
Babad na babad itong si Alvarado, ang number 9 ng si Pokot, Mark Alvarado. Medyo talagang na-feel natin yung aggressiveness na ipinakita ng mga taga si Pokot. And then naging effective naman yung mga tira nila sa labas. Especially that last play na bigay sa atin ni Alvarado.
Because of the speed ni Alvarado, pwede na rin natin siyang ihalin tulad dun sa NBA player na si Alvarado ngayon. It's very hype up today.
That guy was known for his steals.
Yes,
Napaka clever na guard sa NBA. Ayan, balik tayo sa third quarter action ng Cabusao and si Pokot na nalalambangan pa rin ng Siam. Pero natapisan na po yan dahil double digits yan kanina. at 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining.
Yes, Esteves, number 11, si Jobert Esteves will put to the line for 2. And nakakarinig siya ngayon sa crowd na si Pokot, but calmly sinks his first free throw.
At hindi siya nagpapadistract
Yes,
sa
kumbaga,
cheering ng crowd. Cheering against them.
ayan.
Ayan. Compose na compose yung tirang yung
And
mga
with
tirang
the
yun.
dagger look
Oo.
over the fans ng si Pokot. Ayan na. Si Nagrampa against Esteves. Nagrampa to Alvarado. Ayan na yung familiar floater ni Cordiz but misses the shot. Esteves against Nagrampa. Esteves nagmamadali with the layup and scores for 2. Gandang partner, gandang galaw partner.
Oo, magaling. Ibang klase.
Ayan na ulit si Alvarado for 3. Misses.
Ayan,
Good boxing out on the part of Esteves.
Nakuha pa niya yung rebound
Yes.
on the defensive end.
Ayan na si Recluta. Gives it up to Esteves again. Passes to Fiesta. Pumps. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 8. Si Saludo.
Dalawang awkward shots ang nakita natin from Fiesta.
Oo, pero
Actually, dalawang attempts na medyo awkward yung mga tira niya.
awkward pero effective. Effective
Oo,
talaga.
oo.
May mga ganun talaga coach na player. Na akala mo talaga minsan hindi mo makikitaan ng mga galaw pero very effective pag nasa loob ng court. And si Fiesta misses his first free throw. And again, itong Bicol Cup, Camarines Orega, atid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Maraming salamat po, Kong Saldi.
At maraming salamat sa LGU ng Sipokot for having us here.
Yes, of course, for having us here. And maraming salamat. As nakita natin, si Esteves is rushing for 2. Yung
And
support.
ganun kabilis, 11 points na naman po ang lamang. Or make it 9, make it 9.
Nagrampa misses the shot. Nakuha ni Recluta. Recluta nagmamadali against Cordiz.
What a shot there!
Grabe.
Outbalance na yung tira niya because of the defense pero composed pa rin siya and talagang decided to make a good shot.
Bertumen to Nagrampa with a lefty hook. No good. Rebound by Fiesta. Recluta crosses the half-court line against Nagrampa. Nagrampa natapik ang bola. Nadulas si Nagrampa.
Nagrampa sa may sideline.
Oo, so take a look yung mga fans enjoying watching the games live on hand para sa atin. Ayan na si Esteves against Cordiz. Esteves wasting clock. Hands it off to Recluta. Recluta with a drop pass to. Grabing pasa yun kay Giroy.
Grabe yung drive niya. Ang talagang nag-draw sa kanya yung defense. And then he finds Giroy. Pero Nagrampa ay rarampa din for that two-pointer for Sipokot.
Yun, nakala nagkaroon ng miscommunication on the part of Kabusaw. Akala nila tumawag ng timeout si Sipukot. Hindi.
Oo nga eh.
Naubos lang ang shot clock. Kaya nag-buzzer. So akala nila.
Pero just in time for the shot.
Yes, kaya nakapagpunto si Nagrampa ng walang bantay. And then
yung tira kasi, yung drop pass ni Esteves to Giroy was on a dying seconds.
In time lang, just para sa 24 seconds, kaya nag-buzzer. So, dire-diretso yung play.
And wise decision on the part of Nagrampa.
Yes, to push the ball.
Alam niya na nag-buzzer because of the 24-second shot clock violation sana, na nabit naman ng Team Kabusaw. Kaya dire-diretso siya, alam niya na good yung bola. Kaya yun, nakadukot siya ng 2 puntos para sa kanyang kupunan. Again, Kapa Morgan here and Mr. John Bachiller at your service po ngayong mainit na gabi ng Friday. Happy birthday sa mga may birthday ngayon. Once again, kay Sir Richard. Happy birthday po, sir.
Yes, happy birthday. And batiin ko na rin yung 2 anak ko. na nanonood ngayon sa live. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Juan Carlos and Franco Miguel. Matulog na after ng game.
Hindi pa, sabi niya, Papa, naririnig ka pa namin. Artista ka, artista, Papa.
Kaya we're back to a ball game. Pilapil attacking the defense of Cabusao.
That's almost a traveling there.
Loses the ball. Esteves rushing for 2.
2 points, Jobert Esteves.
Ayan na naman. Lumulobo ang kalamangan ng Cabusao.
Sorry miss on the part of Saludo. Ayan na si Saludo again, crashing the board to Cordiz.
Siniguro na at that time ni Cordiz ang 2-pointer na yon using the high part of the window.
Yes, kita ko si Fiesta signaling si Esteves na mag-waste ng clock. Ayan si Esteves. Irons it, rebound by Esteves again. Recluta against Pilapil, attacking the defense. Natawagan ng 3 seconds violation. Ang Cabusao, ang bola mapupunta sa team si Pokot.
Kumbaga, nangitlog doon si Esteves, yung number 12 nila. And talking about itlog, itong si Pokot po is known for the production of eggs.
Ay talaga partner, di ko alam na talaga.
Dito sa Camarines Sur. And I guess ito yung pinaka umawas na sasabihin nating itlog capital of Camarines Sur. Tama ba? Baaw ba?
Pangalawa
pa. Pero tama, maraming itlog din dito, Barbie.
Pangalawa pala. Salamat Barbie kasi
taga-baaw ata yun, yung nagpatalo.
ayaw. Kaya pala masama yung tingin sa'yo.
Dala ka lang itlog sa susunod ha. Pagka wala kang dalang itlog, nako, lagot ka.
Ayan na si Esteves, nagmamadali. With a layup, nakakuha ng foul kay number 10, Pilapil.
So mayroong exchange of words there. Wala namang away.
Ano lang yan, partner. It's part of the game.
Parang nagka-sorryhan lang. Sorry, bro. Nasira yung jersey ni
Oy.
Oo. Tingnan mo, nabaklas yung jersey ni nitong si
Pilapil.
Pilapil.
Si number 18.
Mukhang apologetic naman si Esteves doon. Itong number 11. Jobert Esteves. Kanina.
Speaking of jersey, talagang it's for free again ang binigay ng ako Bicol. Huwag tayo mag-alala. Pag napunit yan, papalitan
yan.
Huwag nyo lang punitin lahat, ha?
Ayun, i-report nyo lang kay
Coach Paulo yan.
Coach Paulo, the head ng ating technical committee.
Ayan na, meron tayong review, meron tayong replay na ang tawag dyan, hinihingi ng si Pokot.
And it's up to the officials.
Kasi nga daw, doon sa nangyaring situation kanina, na grabbing the jersey of Pilapil. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating magigiting na referees. Especially, yan pala mga referees na yan, partner, is headed by Commissioner Eman Faraon. Magandang gabi po. Com Eman, sa'yo.
Yes, good evening po, sir.
And now, we'll wait for the announcement ng ating Coliseum announcer na si Paolo Biñas.
And it's a 15-point lead.
With exactly 1 minute remaining sa ating third quarter.
Sakto, no?
Oo.
Challenge unsuccessful.
So this is a challenge for si Pokot.
Pero unsuccessful daw. Base sa ating arena announcer, yung challenge na hingi ng si Pokot is unsuccessful. So ball will go to, I guess there is a free throw para kay Esteves.
So ayan. Esteves pa rin na magpa-free throw para sa opposing team na Cabusao. After that coach's challenge ng si Pokot. Again, dito po tayo live na live sa si Pokot covered court.
Ayan na, Pilapil wearing his torn jersey pero lumalaban pa rin. Ayan na, Cordiz, Pilapil attacking the defense with the sidestep, no good. Rebound ni Katimbang pero nakakuha ang bola pa rin. Punta kay Esteves. Esteves. Pinintay ang mga kampi. Esteves, binigay kay Esteves. Open for 3. No good. Rebound ni Fiesta. Fiesta. Tumawag ng jump ball ang ating referees.
With 27.5 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Pero yung possession mapupunta sa Team Sipokot.
Yan, again, yung mga nakapula po, yan po yung mga taga-Sipokot.
Yes,
And yung mga nakaputi and,
and
maroon,
yan yung mga taga-Kabusaw.
Mga taga-Kabusaw.
Nagrampa enters the court again with 24 seconds remaining. Kicks it out.
Are they aware of the clock?
I guess yes, kasi tinitingnan nila yung mga Cordis against Esteves. Binigyan ng pick ni Bertumen. Nagrampa, in and out.
Nice look pero couldn't make it.
Katimbang gives it up to Esteves. Passes to Esteves for two.
Unselfish pass mula kay Fiesta to Esteves.
And that ends our third quarter with a shot by Esteves.
What a way to end the quarter. All right, so it's a 13-point lead na tinatamasa ngayon ng mga taga-Kabusaw. 73-76. We will be pausing for a short break muna. Diyan lamang po kayo mga kasarog. Magbabalik po kami. Diretso lang tayo. Okay, so here we go with the game highlights ng
First quarter.
nakatapos pa lang na third quarter action. Again, mga nakapula ang Sipokot, and as we take a look at that familiar shot from Cordis, yung kanyang high-floating, high-flying shot.
And yan kanina, yung yung tira na akala ng Kabusaw. Ayan na yung stop and pop 3. And for our late tuners there, partner, kanina, we have the first game, nanalo yung
Lupi
over Del Gallego.
Yes, Del Gallego.
And we are down to our fourth and final quarter of the game, partner.
This is winning time.
Yes.
Para sa both teams. Both teams ay merong advantage at merong disadvantage. Yung Kabusaw playing only 7 players, pero mas malalaki sila ng konti.
Partner, kung nakita mo, grabe.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng inbounds play. Nakita ko na meron silang sinet na play during the timeout, and then talaga nagawa nila yon. Gandang inbound play.
And on the part naman ng Sipokot ay mas marami siyempre yung players. Halos kompleto yung lineup nila tonight. Kaya lang medyo when it comes to height, mas nakakabintahe talaga ang Kabusaw.
And one again for Navarroza with his patented pump fake. Sabay tira. Mala Nelson as ito move. Ayan, kita natin yung fake. Gandang fake.
Talagang mapifake ka talaga at kumbaga ikakagat ka talaga sa fake niya.
Yes, kumbaga it's a wake up call para sa Sipokot kasi they're trailing right now. So
they must utilize this guy.
yes, I guess kasi medyo he is very steady sa paint. And ayan si Esteves wisely wasting the clock kasi they're up big. Kumbaga the time is on their side, and si Recluta signaling the play with a double pick. Recluta nakakuha ng foul.
Nakabinwit ng foul while trying to make a shot from behind the arc.
I guess he will be awarded for 3. Tama. As Paolo said, 3 free throws will be awarded to Recluta of Team Kabusaw. Misses the first one.
Oo. And na-impress na ako dito kay Recluta. I never thought na ganun din siya kagaling magdala ng team as a point guard para sa kanyang kupunan. Making his second shot. And this is going to be a 3-point free throw opportunity. Making
Makes his
the
third free throw.
third one. So, dalawa yung naipasok niya.
Nagrampa.
Oh,
Muntik
almost
na
a
maagaw
steal.
ni Fiesta. Cordis fakes. Cordis with a high looping 3. Na-rebound ni Bertumen pero mintis. Ayan na. Na-foul si Katimbang. ni Cordis while dribbling the ball.
While
Sayang,
trying-
di nakita ni Katimbang na may open teammate na siya.
Oo. He was trying to escape Cordis. Pero yun, na-foul siya.
Kaya na si Recluta pointing to his teammates. Recluta binigyan ng pick ni Fiesta. Gives it up to Esteves. Esteves for 3. No good. Rebound by Bertumen. Bertumen nagmamadali. Binigay kay Cordis. Cordis with a Euro step. No good.
Gusto ko
Nakuha ni Navarroza for 3.
Yes.
Yes, partner.
Pero gusto ko makita ang high-intensity defense ngayon ng Sipokot. Kasi that's their only chance para
Yes,
dumikit
to get
sa
back.
laban na ito.
To get back on the lead talaga.
Look at that. It's a 20 big, kamali lang yung ano natin. Ito na yung tamang score natin. 61-78.
Opo. Ayan na.
So it's a 17-point lead.
Cordis gives it up to Nagrampa. Nagrampa nabitawan ng bola. Sorry. Turnover para sa Sipokot. Sayang. All alone na si Alvarado sa ilalim. Na turnover lang ni Nagrampa. With 7 minutes and 41 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
So yun. Pero makikita mo sa Sipokot, balik sila sa zone defense. Kanina sana nag-take effect na din yung kanilang high pressure defense.
Ayan na si Fiesta. Talagang namimiesta dito. Alvarado against Esteves. Alvarado pointing to his teammates. Hindi niya nakita. Nag-cut si Nagrampa. Nagrampa gives it up to Alvarado. No
They
good.
could have set a screen for Alvarado.
Yes, ayan na naman si Fiesta. Fiesta with the short stab. No good. Rebound by Bertumen. They have to double up kasi naghahabol sila. Bertumen attacking the defense of Katimbang for score for 2.
Challenging the defense of Katimbang and using his left hand.
Oh, with the lefty.
And
Layup pa yun.
that's a successful one mula kay Bertumen.
Ayan na, Esteves ginuguro ni Alvarado. Alvarado naagaw.
Yan!
Nagrampa with the left hand. No good. Rebound by Alvarado. Short stab. No good.
Pero yan ang sinasabi ko na high pressure defense sa backcourt. Kaya lang merong mag-foul merong foul na naitawag. Pero it wasn't clear for us kung sino yung natawagan. And we have a timeout here at 63-81. Lamang po ng 11. Tama ba yung computation ko? Hindi ako masyadong confident sa computation ko eh. 63-81. Kabusao lead at 6 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Again, ito po ang napaka-exciting ball game ng dalawang kupunan na wala pa pong panalo sa ligang ito. Kabusao with a 0-2 win-loss card at ang Sipokot naman ay merong isang talo. Again, ito po ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
Yun, na-miss ko yung partner. Mga
may feelings talaga, no?
Oo, kailangan dapat lahat ng mga ginagawa. Pero na-miss ko yung mga ganong feelings tayo, partner. Ayan na si Recluta against Luces. Recluta drops it up to number 12, Esteves.
What a play there!
Grabe. Ayan na. Nag-adjust si coach ng Sipokot. Pinasok niya si Luces to add speed. Ayan na.
Corner 3.
Navarroza misses the shot. Rebound ni Recluta. Gives it up to Giroy. Giroy to Esteves. Esteves for 3. No good. Good boxing out on the part of Alvarado. Outlets to Cordis with a floater again off the bank for 2.
Ayan, so it's a single digit. Double digit pa rin.
Double digit pa rin, partner. Pero they have, I guess, dapat i-pressure na nila ang Kabusao to force.
Kaya nga nagtataka ako, bakit naka-zone defense sila?
Ayan na. Esteves again attacking. Kicks it out to Giroy. Giroy loses. Ball will go to Team Sipokot. Ayan na si Alvarado. Alvarado drops it up to Navarroza. 4-2. Ayan na.
Ayan,
A
nabubuhay.
6-0 run
Nabubuhay ang Sipokot.
from Sipokot. Pero ito na si Recluta and si Fiesta signaling na to waste the clock because the time is on their side. Ayan na, Recluta asking for a pick. Binigay ni Esteves. Labas to Esteves. Sayang, di lang nasalo ni Esteves.
Oo, medyo mataas din yung pasang yon from Recluta. It's a 16-point lead enjoyed by Kabusao team kontra sa home team na Sipokot. They need to do something to win this game para sa team Sipokot. Ano ba ang dapat nilang gawin? Well, para sa akin, kung tatanungin, sabi ko nga, yung depensa. Dapat mas maigting yung depensa.
Yes.
Sa front court pa lang, talagang kinukulit mo na yung point guard nila para hindi makapag-execute ng magandang play for Kabusao. Napaka-excellent point guard din itong meron sila with Recluta at magaling na gwardiya na yung Esteves brothers ba to? Sige. So yun, ang kailangan siguro ng Sipokot para makabalik sa larong ito.
And then, coming from a timeout, medyo nag-turnover. That is a bad sign for Sipokot kasi yung moral nila lalong bababa. But I guess, mahaba pa naman oras. They have to step up in order for them to decrease the lead ng Kabusao.
Again, it's a 16-point lead na hinahabol. At then, yung Kabusao nag-waste na ng oras.
With 1 second na nalalabi sa kanila shot clock, they have to shoot as early as they receive the ball para hindi maputukan ng 24 seconds. Ayan, may set play ako nakita na ayan, lob pass, di nag-materialize. And naputukan ng 24 second shot clock ang team Kabusao.
So, mapupunta ang bola sa mga nakapula ang home team Sipokot. Again, they need to do something para matapyasan tong kalamangan para makadikit sila and magkaroon pa rin ng chance to get this game from Kabusao.
Yes,
Ortiz.
partner, ayan na si Ortiz at the top of the key, 3 misses. Na-rebound ni Bertumen, cross court to Luces, slicing the defense. Alley-oop to Bertumen, sorry miss again partner. Sayang, nandyan yung chance pero hindi nila nako-convert. A good pass from Luces, but sorry miss for Bertumen. Pero ang bola mananatili sa Sipokot, I guess. Pero meron tayong coach's challenge na narinig na sinabi ni arena announcer na si Coach Paulo Biñas.
I thought yung sino yung
I guess nag-question ay nag-challenge yung Sipokot, I guess. Kasi because of the...
I guess yung tama ba yung isang coaches challenge lang per game?
Baka kanina referee's challenge yung kanina.
Okay.
Ay hindi lang natin pero alam ko din meron tayong one challenge
one
lang.
only, one challenge from the coaches kung gagamitin nila yon in a particular game.
I guess
they
the
only,
jersey incident ata is called by the referees.
So it's not a coaches challenge. Para ma-clear lang natin. Kasi ang alam ko talaga, isang coaches challenge lang per game ang allowed na gamitin ng both coaches if they want to challenge a call from the referee. So ayan, ibinubulong na ng ating official kay
Challenge successful. Kabusao basketball.
so challenge successful for Kabusao, so it's going to be Kabusao ball.
Ayan na. Recluta.
So this is winning time.
Yes. Saktong-sakto lang yung pagtawid. Buti na matawagan ng 8-second violation. Pero, ayan na. Esteves attacking. Nakakuha ng foul. Kaya number 15 na si Navarroza. Ayun na nga, medyo we are entering the twilight zone. So, they have to double up yung pressure defense nila para sa Kabusao.
Pero hindi yun lang nakikita natin sa Sipokot eh. Hindi pressure defense yung ginagawa nila eh.
Yes, I guess baka fatigue factor na rin sa kanila. Ayan na si Esteves again.
I doubt it. Pero hindi natin alam.
Yes, ayan na. Recluta again with another offensive rebound against Escobedo. No
That's a
good.
forced shot.
Yes.
Forced shot on the part of Cabusao.
Ayan na, Navarroza passes to Luces, attacking the ring, no good. Rebound by Esteves. Esteves, kinukulit ni Luces. Gives it up to Recluta. Recluta, lobs it out to Giroy. Sorry, miss. And nasapal si Esteves ni Luces. The smallest guy on the court, sinapal si Esteves. Good effort on the part of Rick Luces, blocking the shot of Esteves.
Giroy mula sa corner. Hesitates.
Esteves for 3. No good. Rebound by Recluta. Sorry, miss. Recluta again with an offensive rebound for 2.
Nice hustle by Recluta. Corner 3.
Hani Navarroza for 3.
And that's a good one for Team Sipokot.
With 15-point lead.
Oo, 15-point lead and masyado nang manipis ang oras para sa Team Sipokot. It's 2:31 remaining sa ating ball game.
Ayan na, Recluta harassed by Cordiz. Gives it up to Esteves. Esteves nakakuha pa rin ang kanyang offensive rebound.
Yun lang ang masakit kasi
Recluta to Giroy. Giroy powering his way. Missing. Rebound again. Nakakuha ni Giroy. Giroy.
medyo outbalance kasi yung tira ni Giroy sa ilalim dahil sa depensa na rin. Hindi mo naman sasabihin may foul yun. Talagang good defense lang on the part of Sipokot.
Ayan na, Esteves attacking. Esteves with the lefty shot, no good. Rebound. Ayan na si Luces. Ayan na si Luces with the left hand. Scores! Ayun, grabe yung tapang ng Rick Luces talaga. Kumbaga siya lang ang bumubuhay ngayon on the part of Team Sipokot kasi very aggressive on defense and very aggressive din when it comes to offense.
Kaya lang delikado yung tira, last na tirang yun.
Yes,
Luces. Buti na lang hindi siya bumagsak ng masama.
Ganoon naman yung mga condition player ngayon. Coach talagang pinapagpag lang kasi pag talagang praktisado, alam nila kung saan sila babagsak. And then, I guess it's safe to say na parang hindi pa tapos yung laro. Luces completes his 3-point play with a 13-point lead with 1 minute and 52 seconds. It's anybody's ball game pa, partner. Ayan na si Fiesta against Luces. Fiesta, ayan, hinaharas. Ayan na, Recluta with a fake. Gandang fake pero he was called for steps. Nahuli ng ating mga referees. There's still a chance, partner. Unti-unti nila. Ayan na. Luces gives it up to Luces for 3.
Good attempt and good shot.
Ayan na, sinasabi ko. May 10-point lead na lang tayo. Recluta. Muntik na maagawan. Binigay kay Fiesta. Fiesta enters the half-court line against ayan na si Fiesta with the short stop. Misses.
Ayan na naman ang Sipokot.
Si Mateo. Unforced turnover on the part of Sipokot. Sayang. Tumatakbo na sana sila.
Sayang. That's a crucial.
Yes, a very costly turnover on the part of Sipokot talaga kasi nandyan na yung run. Sayang.
Indeed. Sayang.
Sayang. It's still very manageable kung na-convert nila yung tira nila, partner.
Oo, from a 9-point lead, kung maipasok nila yon, who knows, baka meron pang pa-end one, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Mapupunta sa 7-point lead and then 6-point lead at baka mag-iba na yung kumpiyansa ng Kabusaw pagka dumating sa 6-point lead na lang. But anyway, yon, wala na tayong magagawa. Sorry, sorry na lang dahil nasayang yung transition play na yon.
Sayang. Pero kaya pa naman bumawi. Ang
They
bola.
need to stop this possession right now.
Ang bola
Kung ako ang si Pokot, talagang hindi ko na patatawirin yan.
Oo nga, talagang hinihintay lang nila to cross the half-court line.
Yan. Dapat yan pa lang, talagang dinidepensahan mo na.
Ayan na si Recluta, binigay kay Fiesta. Fiesta, binigay kay Recluta. Ayan na si Esteves with a step back, fall away, no good. Rebound ni Fiesta, and
Yun
one.
ang masakit.
Plus the foul, I guess, partner. Mabigat yung binitawang tira ni Fiesta.
Oo.
Nakakuha pa ng foul.
Hindi siya na box out eh.
Yes, ayan, partner. Oh.
Look at that.
Talagang he has a nose for the ball talaga. Kung nasan yung mintes, yung loose ball, nandun si Fiesta. And I guess, isa si Fiesta sa magiging candidates for our kasurug player of the game because coming off the bench pa yan, partner, ha?
Definitely.
Yes, partner, grabe yung pinakita niya ngayon. And ayan na si Pilapil with a good pass kay, ay nako, kanina pa si Bertumen talagang maalat.
Oh, that could have been a high percentage shot. Open na din naman doon si Pilapil sa 3 points siya behind the arc, pero mas nakita niyang mas advantage si Bertumen. Kaya lang, Bertumen misses the shot.
Yes, sayang. Pero I guess it is a learning experience on the part of Sipokot na playing for their crowd is kumbaga somewhat a karangalan na rin na ma-represent nila ang Sipokot over sa kanilang mga kababayan here. And I guess ayan na, nakikita na natin yung ibang fans na
nagbababaan dahil
because medyo alam nila yung result ng laro. Pero I guess
40 seconds na lang.
we'll have to wait for the final buzzer.
I think sa tingin ko, kinontinue nila yung high pressure defense sa early goings ng third quarter. And I think magiging maiiba yung tempo ng laro.
Ayan na si Recluta.
25 seconds.
Wasting clock.
10 to shoot.
Heavily
And,
guarded by Alvarado.
I guess this is it. 10 seconds remaining.
Yes, they are just wasting the clock
Oo,
talaga.
hindi na rin
Wala nang
sila
balak tumira.
nagkakardyahan. At yun na nga, natawagan na ng 24-second violation ng Kabusaw. They really did not make a shot on that particular play. Dahil talagang nasa kanila yan ang panalo sa labang ito. And there you have it. That ends our Kabusaw Sipokot match-up. And mula sa pagkakatalo ng dalawa, Kabusaw meron na ngayong isang panalo dito sa labanan sa District 1 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup. And it's an upset para sa Sipokot team dahil sa tingin ko dyan, mas advantage sila kasi unang-una nandito sila sa kanilang
Yun sana ginawa nilang motivation na they're playing with the crowd and home court. So talagang, pero sayang, it's a matter of breaks of the game talaga. Akala natin kanina with the slow start ng Kabusaw, dire-diretso na yung Sipokot, but adjustments are made talaga sa laro. So
although may mga adjustments, pero sa tingin ko nagkulang sa adjustments, kulang sa effort with regards to defense. Kasi pagka ganyan na matindi ang offense na ibinibigay ng iyong opponent, dapat tapatan mo yan ng mas matinding depensa. And I'm sure that intense defense will result to intensified offense also on the part of the defending end. Kaya yun ang nakita kong kulang sa naging effort sana ng Sipokot sa game na ito.
yes, partner, talagang hats off pa rin sa Kabusaw. Ano lang sila? 7-man. Oo, against a complete lineup ng Sipokot. So hats off pa rin. Pero congratulations pa din sa team Sipokot.
Oo.
Kasi they
played well
against their home crowd. But yun, ganun talaga nangyayari. And then yan yung highlights natin ng mga laro. And again, partner, maraming salamat. It's an honor for me na makapartner ang isang veteranong katulad mo.
baka maiyak na naman ako niyan.
Oo.
Dyan, ha?
Hindi, baka ma-expose, hindi maiyak, baka ma-expose yung edad natin pareho. Kaya sige na nga, babatiin ko na lang lahat na nanonood. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
And
Salamat.
once,
Salamat.
once again, happy birthday, Sir Richard. At lahat ng mga may birthday ngayon, happy birthday po sa inyo.
Yes po.
And once again, kakatapos lang po ng laro ng Kabusaw and si Pokot officially. And we're just waiting for Barbie na makita natin o malaman kung sino ang kasurog player of the game as we watch the game highlights ng ating second and final game for our Day 12 ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And once again, ito po hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Yun. Sige. Yun ang mga magandang tira kanina, no?
Sayang.
Sabi mo nga, mga
Special mention o special mention na rin sa si Pokot gumawa kasi lumaban pa rin ng comfort partner na si Rick Luces talaga.
Oo.
Sayang, nagkulang lang ng oras but still, good effort.
At magaling din yung mga guards nila like Cordiz.
Oo.
Napaka-exciting yung mga tira niya. And also yung si Alvarado na talagang kahit babad na babad, naging nakita natin yung composure niya pa rin. At yung playmaking niya pa rin nandun. And okay, right now, nandito na si, let me take this opportunity also to say bye-bye for now.
Yes.
Coach
Yes, the name is John Bachiller po.
Oo.
Maraming salamat.
Ako din po ito, si Kapa Morgan. Kami po ay magbabalik bukas. Abangan nyo kami. Nandiyan kami sa Capuerte Sports Complex. So, bigyan na natin kay Miss Barbie Floriano at ang ating kasurog player of the game.
Kasama ko na ngayon ang kasurog player of the game, Angel Boy Fiesta. Coming from Team Kabusaw, jersey number 10, having 20 points, 4 rebound, 4 assists, 1 block, and 2 steals. Congratulations po. Finally, after 3 games ngayon, ay nanalo na ang inyong team. Kamusta po sa pakiramdam na nakakuha na kayo ng panalo?
Masaya ma'am kasi ito yung unang panalo namin sa season na to. Team effort lang ma'am. Wala yung coach namin, kulang yung player kasi busy sila sa mga trabaho nila. Yung coach naman namin is nasa Legazpi ngayon, may exam. Kami lang talaga ma'am, team effort lang po.
Now the mic is yours para naman batiin at i-shout out lahat ng supporters mo at ng Kabusaw.
Sa mga kabarangay ko sa San Pedro, Kabusaw, sa mga Kabusaw, sa LGU Kabusaw, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Para sa inyo itong unang panalo namin.
So congratulations again Kabusaw and sa'yo Angel Boy. This is the end of our games for tonight. Bukas kami naman ay nasa Cafuerte Sports Complex in behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, Sir Lloyd Rivera, our Commissioner, at ng mga kasama ko from the panel, Coach Morgan and Coach John. Thank you for continuously supporting Ako Bicol Cup Tournament and good night mga kasurog.